Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Come DIY my living room with me. Fall edition makeover Vlogtober day 1. Let's go. So today we are going to go ahead and do a little fall shopping so I can change my front room around, living room around. I'm tired of looking at it. It's old.
Hi, I'm Jenna.
And then I'm going to take you guys along with me and we're going to see how it goes. Let's go. Okay, so I am so like ashy, y'all. Like, I didn't put no lotion on or nothing, but so I'm trying to figure out my playlist before I leave. Like, know that one thing is for certain, two things is for sure, is that I'm not driving nowhere without my music on. So I'm finna try to get my music together. And comment below, like, what's your favorite like genre of music, or like your go-to to get your day started. I'm feeling real thuggish right now, but let's go get in these stores, get out these stores, and get this house clean. I know if I clean up, maybe it'll help my mood with recording and getting all this material done. So let us get the going. All right, so we have made it. So let's go inside and see what they got. We're gonna go here first. This is who gives a scrap, and it's like to see how much we can save because we're trying to do it on a budget. Come here. So we made it. It looks like they got a sale. I know tomorrow's military discount day, but we just gonna see what they got today. So let's go.
Just your size.
So grab you some crayons.
Colors. I need yellow.
Okay.
Yep. And then we use Miss Goggles. Awesome.
Cool. Here.
A picture.
Can you draw me a picture?
Yeah. Yellow. Okay.
Okay, go ahead and color. Mommy gonna shop, okay? Okay, you guys, so like, look, I freaking love this place. Like, they have the little play center so my son can be entertained while I shop peacefully. No one's here. It's so quiet, it's peaceful. And look, oh my god, they have the picture frames. Hopefully they have the size for what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned so you can see that. So I think I'm gonna get this one. It's $8. It's a canvas. It's lighter, so it's more rental friendly than the glass one. Plus my kids like to jump around and I won't want that to fall. So I'm going to see how big this one is, but I'm trying to shoot for a 24 by 36. So we're gonna see. All right, you guys, you see I have made it home. I did not vlog me come back home, nothing special. But here I am, taking everything off the walls, getting ready to clean up and get this house deep clean since we haven't been here. I haven't cleaned since the spring. So here we go.
Got the kick.
Okay, so be mindful that I did say this was a DIY, and seeing that I'm not buying new couches every season, I decided to buy this fabric from Walmart. It came $4 for 4 yards. I bought 5 bundles, and I am using it to cover up my couches to help change the color. So let's get into that now. So what y'all gonna see me doing is trying to figure out as I go, because when I unraveled the bundle, I noticed that it was folded like halfway, so I cut it open to use it to cover up the couches. I don't know what my children be hiding under these couches, y'all, but I found every toy that they thought they had in their room under the couches. So remember I told you about that sale, right? Right. So that's me dancing because I made my own curtains, you guys. I bought the fabric from Who Gives a Scrap. I was going to originally buy it from Walmart, and all I did was sewed the fabric to make a loop to make my curtains to fit my front room. That tutorial will be coming out tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Tune in for the DIYs to see how I did my pictures, my picture frames, my wall decor, and how I finished my TV accessories, and all of that will be in the next video. If you're interested, make sure you tune in, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out. So here's my front room after I have completely covered the couches. I'm going to steam press the fabric to get all those wrinkles out. These are 2 canvases that I have revamped that were from the spring and summer. And then this canvas, y'all, I got from Who Gives a Scrap. These canvases normally run $40 because they're 24 by 36, and I got it for $2. It was actually $8, but it was 75% off. Shout out to me. In the picture, I got printed out at Walgreens. So all I did was Mod Podge it and gave it a little texture. And again, if you want to see how I did that, I will post that DIY. It will be in the next video. So just keep watching as I continue to pull this front room together. Okay, you guys, so I also got some of my items from Amazon. As you can see, I had another set of curtains as a backup just in case I couldn't find enough fabric to make the curtains. But all that will be in the description bar below, as well as this TV stand, because I had to lift my TV up off the glass because my son be just touching the TV. Be so many fingerprints on there. Oh my God. But anyways, so that's just me figuring out how to put this mount on, and just keep watching.
Kick.
Alright, you guys, this is the final look. This is above my fireplace. I gave it a little Halloween theme, but kept it very moderate with my color scheme. Just a couple fall Halloween decorations. All these DIYs to these decorations will be in the description bar and in the next video. Please tune in. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified and won't miss none of my uploads for Vlogtober. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.